Audi changing tires. It's tire season. Always make sure you're far away from the valve. Make a nice cracky. Be careful not to scratchy. Give it one. Do one more. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Line it up. Clamp it. Push it. Push it. Align it. Valve to arm. And over. No, it's not gonna scratch. Ah! Second round. Ah! Again, no, it's not gonna scratch it. Boom! And off goes the tire. Yeah, guys. Winter is over. Summer is here. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Nicely soaked. You never want to put it dry, guys. Don't put it dry. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt the tire, just like at home. Always lube. Looking for the outside. Bada bing, bada boom. Yuppa! And off she goes. Bada bing, bada boom. And there we go. Putting some air. 1, 2 pops. Install the valve. Waiting for the pop right here. Bada bing, bada boom. And pressure we adjust on the car according to the door. Second stage balancing. And there we go.